Hi guys, so for this video I'm going to show you how I do a full face of makeup using only one palette. If you're wondering, this is the Sweet Mint, the Sea of Falls. It's a palette with 2 highlighting shades, 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a contour. If you're someone who wants to do something with a little bit of color, or like with browns or pinks for blush, this is the perfect palette for that. Also, I'm reviewing a foundation, so this is why my base is already, or like my foundation is already all good. For this look, I'm going to be using the O2O Select Cover Up Concealer in 03 Vanilla. This is not a full coverage concealer. It's, you know, just okay. It's better for natural looks. It kind of feels oily though, so even though my foundation is matte, the concealer kind of like takes that away. I'm still looking for a little bit more brightness, so I'm going to add this Big Cover Liquid Concealer by Focallure. It's tried and true. I lightly dust my entire face with this Flawless Setting Powder by Focallure. I focus it more on the areas that are shiny, or the areas that are prone to get shiny, like the areas I concealed. I put the most powder on there, and then whatever is left over I put on the areas that doesn't need as much attention, like my jaw. I'm also gonna quickly powder it off. I'm gonna do my brows off cam. It honestly takes way too much brain power, and I really don't have that today. So at this point, aside from the mascara, the eyeliner, and the lipstick, all you're gonna need is this palette or whatever contour, blush, and highlight palette you have. I also have the Detail Highlight, Contour, and Blush palette, but I find that there isn't really a contour shade in that palette because all of them are very warm toned, and I prefer my contour to be on the grayer side. I lean towards the warmer colors more, so I use this, and this for the eyes, these 3 for the face. I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's looking shiny right now, so if you feel like it's too strong, you can blend it with your fingers. So what I do after this is I take the bronzing shade and I added that on the outer portion of my eye. So that's what I do, and then I add a little bit of this Sunlight shade on the inner portion of my lids, like so. I feel like the peach color has died a little, so I'm going to re-intensify that only on the crease. I know it doesn't look much right now because I don't have mascara on and my eyeliner, but yeah, I'll quickly do the other eye off cam and I'll be right back. Kind of fucked up. I mean, this eye is so much better than this eye, so do this and not this. This is what it looks like for now. let's add some eyeliner. For eyeliner, when I want an easy, very quick, foolproof eyeliner, I actually use this iMagic Professional Cosmetics eyebrow pomade. It's in their darkest shade, which is I think 06 Ebony. It's very convenient, very easy to do, and I feel like when I use this, I fuck up less than when I use a normal felt pen eyeliner. Next, just do your regular lash routine. Before I add anything to my lower lash line, I'm going to add some highlighter on the brow bone. I think my lashes are already dried, and I'm using the top pair from the Faye Lashes in 5D02. It really hurts. Time to add some lower lash. That's it for the eyes. Time to do the rest of the face, and for the rest of the face we're only really gonna use this palette again. I prefer doing bronzer and then blush and then contour. I'm going to take the shade Earth and bronze the perimeters of the face. I'm also going to add some on the tip of my nose. I know I look like a bunny right now, but we're gonna fix it later when we contour the nose. Anyway, I'm going to go back with the shade Cloud, which is a contour shade. As you can see, it's very gray. To sharpen up the contour and to help the contour, we're going to add some highlight shade. Now it's time for the lips. So this is where you can do whatever you want. You can do a red lip, you can do a matte brown, you can even do a gloss. I'll bring my hair down and I'll be right back. So this is the final result.
난 처음부터 girl you turn me on like a switch 내 몸에 불을 켜. Oh baby let me see you get it for me.
So yeah guys, that has been it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you don't have any contour palette yet, I strongly recommend the Sweet Mint palette. It has very good shades and has very good pigment. I think I already said it in one of my previous videos, but I really do like how they know the difference between contour and bronzer, because most drugstores, especially here in the Philippines, offer contour shades that are way too warm to actually contour with. So yeah, I hope you learned some tips from this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. And before you go, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!